Alright, so I've got a platinum grill. Hey guys, hold on. Just wait a sec, boys. Platinum grill on my F250 Super Duty. I just got my Carly pin top kit rebuilt from King, so I'm pumped on that. Probably due for tires, and I'll probably do 17 instead of 18 wheels soon, but new tires maybe into the season, so 37s with some 17s. So I've already started taking this off. I figure I might as well do a little video since I have my glasses. And basically you got to remove, get one of these plastic pry tools. There's a lot of these bad boys in each of these. The grill cover, or little housing cover. And then you take out these 6 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's where I'm at right now. And I'm watching a YouTube showing me how to do this, but I'll post it on my YouTube as well. Here's the gloss black platinum grill that I got from eBay. I'm hoping everything bolts up as I anticipate. This is like, I think it was 200 bucks shipped. Pretty sweet, looks like good quality. And hopefully it's good fit and finish. Alright, the same thing on the other side. Got my little guys playing in the garage while I do this. They are wilds. 3 and 5, boys. Always fun. Alright, so behind the headlight on both sides is a 10mm bolt that goes into the back of the grill. So you gotta get that loose and take that out. And it's on both sides. Alright, so there's little covers down here, down from the grill. Puts your little spacer tool, pry tool, supposedly, and then comes out, and there's a 10mm back there on both sides. Alright, so let's see how easy this comes out. Perfect. Just as imagined. Now we just reverse the process and install it on that one. Same on this side. Pop and pull. Set it down. This one's on this side. And then there's the 10mm right there. It's funny because I'm doing this grill, which I'm stoked on, the new one, and my hood struts were bad, so the dealership was going to charge me 300 bucks to put new hood struts on, and I got some OEM replacements on Amazon for $22, and it took me about 5 minutes to swap them, so pretty sweet. Alright, so now I'm going to disconnect the backing of the emblem here, so I can put it in, reinsert it into the other new grill, which takes a few of these little nuts back here. Pretty quick and easy. Alright, so I'll just reinstalling all these. Should be pretty basic. Don't go too deep. Cut into the plastic just a little bit, and we're nice. Alright, so the brown connector line here, just kind of pull that off, it just pops off. This one here has a little C-clamp plastic connector here. Once that comes off, you can simply pull that hose and the grill should freely come out, just like that. Not bad. Alright, so now we're going to install this, hopefully right back into place, like so. We're going to take the little wing nuts here, put them on. This is the grill, buddy. Remember? The grill. It's a grill. So we got to put these back on, okay? Hold on, but don't do that, please. These are the tabs that came off the bottom. So if you see these, figure out where they go before you reinsert the clips. Alright, I think we're done. Let's Check it out. Black grill. Looks clean. Gotta get rid of all the other chrome now. We'll work on it.